8 years ago, Porsche answered buyers' prayers with the limited-run 911R, combining the GT3's engine with a 6-speed manual gearbox and a dose of retro styling. Since then there has been no shortage of enthusiast specials. It's as if the team at Stuttgart has been lifting sketches and adding them to the production roster. Over 30 years ago, the Boxster concept shown at the 1993 Detroit Auto Show might have seemed like someone's dream of a modern-day 550 Spider, but it was in fact far more of a rational response from a troubled Porsche that simply could not afford to be fanciful with product planning. Yet despite this forced hand, the resulting production Boxster of 1997 not only stayed true to his principles but was also a runaway success, driving the firm's enviable profitability today. The Boxster 25 marks the anniversary with a reinterpretation of the show car, dressing the flagship GTS 4.0 with GT silver paint, wheels and intakes finished in a copper-like neodyme hue, and the interior trimmed in striking Bordeaux red. It pulls off the look surprisingly well. Even more surprising is the sense of mechanical connection to this brand new car. The detuned GT4 engine flutters with metallic rawness, and the related manual gearbox has a competition feel. It's nice to have analog dials arranged as they were in the original Boxster, but here with a new, more serious typeface and an adjustable digital readout on the right. With 395 brake horsepower at 7,000 RPM, the Boxster 25 retains the original's intoxicating flat-six howl, only here the punch at the top end flings you towards the horizon with supercar-like urgency. A switchable exhaust system adds volume, but suffers from a flat, subdued note at lower revs. It felt surprisingly playful, and the brakes proved as unburstable as the rest of the car. It feels alive in a way I'd feared was lost to today's computerized cars. There were moments when pulling up at a mountain viewpoint in this silver over red Porsche that the 25's character shone back as brightly as the original Boxster, maybe even the 550, and I thought, okay, you got me, you little monster. You are mine. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.